this is we're glad to welcome one of our board members here, and he's I think going to win an award for being the brightest board member we've ever had.
And I will state unequivocally that I think CA is going to have to put up some more bicycle racks.
Yeah, just look around.
Hey, I'm David Youngman from New City Alliance and Columbia 2.0, and I'm here with Columbia tomorrow for the Bike Around Columbia with the mayor of Columbia, Missouri. And while we have some looks like real bike riders here, I'm just gonna. This is how I'd bike around if I had to work today. So I'm in my work clothes and I'm gonna bike around to some different meetings today. And it's a beautiful day to bike. You walk. Be outside.
Well, I think that downtown needs more density because it's actually much more efficient to do it that way. The idea that you need the connectivity, which is really the key of what the mayor was saying, is you need the connectivity. So if we have connectivity from, let's say, the community college down to Lake Kinnecumundee, there are some logistical questions on how you do it, but that would be the idea, is that you get that kind of connectivity. If you can connect the community college with Wild Lake Village Center, you have the opportunity to bring Wild Lake Village Center back to life, and the use of human-powered transport has to be an integral part of that.
Yeah, I moved here in '74, went all through grade school here, Wild Lake High, rode these bike paths all the years growing up into my 20s. Didn't buy my first car till I was 32, so I rode my bike everywhere, and that's how I used to do it. I used to ride these, training for BMX racing as a pro, and that's how I did it. It was like I never had to deal with the car issue. It was great. Been a racer many years, still racing BMX. I'm actually won the state championship this year in 40 to 44-year-old cruiser. And I'll be racing at the President's Cup in Kentucky the day after Christmas for a national title.
I'm surprised that there's just not a lot more people out there using it. There's got to be a reason for that, and it looks to me like this is just my first impression that you got this fantastic trail that goes around. I mean, most people would kill to have something like that, but it doesn't connect to the downtown, so you need spokes somehow. And my guess is, to get those spokes, you're almost going to have to use the streets. I would think you'd be looking really hard at connecting, but when you get downtown and your downtown is surrounded by this huge,
that's a challenge.
That is a challenge, and I don't know how much life is going on in the downtown area, but you need to have that to be an attraction, I'd think. But you really got something here. It's beautiful.